So before we get to our first example, let me explain how to use a northwest square. First, you'll need to know or discover the password or passphrase. After writing your encoded message down, write the password directly above the message, repeating the password if it's shorter than the encoded message. On the left-hand side of the square is the encoded alphabet. Every letter of the password will match up with the letters lining the outer left side of the square. With your password set, find the row with the first letter of the password and then scan that row to the right until you find the first letter of the encoded message. Next, scan up the column of the encoded message letter to the top line of the northwest square. That is your decoded letter. In the case of Scarioki, the password was carved into the wall of Gideon Gleeful's cell next to a picture of a key. So as you can see, the password for this episode's secret message is Whittle. Now that we have our password, let's take a look at Scarioki's encoded message and decode it together. Like before, first write out our password Whittle above the encoded message letter for letter, making sure to start the password again when we reach the encoded letter A. With that in place, let's decode this message. We start with the password letter W, which matches with the encoded letter S in the same row. We slide up that column and reveal the first decoded letter is W. Congratulations! You've just decoded your first letter with a Vigenère cipher. Let's continue. I matches with M and decodes to E. D matches with O and decodes to L. D matches with F and decodes to C. L matches with Z and decodes to O. E matches with Q and decodes to M. W matches with A and decodes to E. That makes our first word, welcome. Now let's decode the final four letters. I matches with J and decodes to B. D matches with D and decodes to A. D matches with F and decodes to C. And finally, L matches with V and decodes to K. That completes our final word and reveals the secret message, welcome back.